Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ege, your friendly instructor, and we're going to create a star made from the triangles. There is going to be 5 phases that we're going to be going over. First we create an isosceles triangle, and then we're going to just array that, multiple copy that. Both sides are going to be 5 inches long, and the long side is going to be 8 inches long, and then we're going to fit a tangent circle inside of it, and then we're going to use that tangent circle, center of the tangent circle, as a center point for the array command. And to make multiple copies, we're going to create the triangle, erase the tangent circle, and we're going to draw the lines and the color the star. And I'm using AutoCAD 2012, and this will work pretty good with AutoCAD 2010 also. I'm going to just slide the screen a little bit higher, and I'm going to start a line and move my cursor over the draw group of commands and select the line with the left mouse button, and I'm going to pick approximately a point at the center of the screen. Now first I'm creating my triangle, and the first line, okay, is going to be 5 inches long and 36 degrees with the east. So I'm going to type at 5 angle bracket and 36 and enter. Now I'm going to draw an 8-inch line to the left. Okay, that is 180 degrees line. So I'm going to type at 8 angle bracket or left chevron mark and 180. 180 stands for the degrees. And finally I'm going to connect my last point to the first point, and for that I'm entering C for close. AutoCAD remembers the first point and connects your last point to the first point instantly. As you can see, I created an isosceles triangle. Now I'm going to fit a circle inside this triangle, and the only condition is that that circle is going to be tangent to the lines. The inner circle will be tangent to 3 lines. So this is not going to be any circle. This is going to be a circle tangent, tangent, tangent condition. So I'm going to move my cursor over the draw group of commands, find the circle, and select the down arrow. And to see if there is a tangent, tangent, tangent circle, there's at the end, there's one. That particular option of the circle will ask you 3 tangency conditions. Basically, when it does that, you're going to select the 3 lines that the circle is going to be tangent to. So click on it with the left mouse button. Now move your cursor over the first line, and you can see object snap is turned on, and computer shows me the tangents and symbol. So that means I can click anytime I want. When I see the green tangency circle, click, click, and click, and now I have a perfect tangent circle inside the triangle. Now I'm going to use the center of the circle to make 5 copies of the star. Command for that is array, and I'm going to select the lines that I want to array, enter, and how many copies I want. 5 copies. Computer is prompting me at the command prompt area. 5 copies, enter. And well, it didn't work. I'm canceling the command right now. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to move my cursor over the array again and look for the polar array. Polar array is a circular array, and that is the one that I should pick. Now select the objects. I am selecting the objects, enter, right mouse button, The base point, center of the ray, is the center of the circle, so move your cursor approximately where the center of the circle is, and when you see the green circle inside, click. Now it says enter the number of the items. Number of the items are 5 because star has 5 arms, and it says 360 degrees. Is that okay? That's yes, it is okay. To hit enter key. Now this star is completed. Now that star is completed, we can start drawing lines, and then we can trim them off later on. So we're going to use the center of the circle and start drawing lines. Enter. And circle, you can erase it, you don't need it anymore. And we can trim off the lines that are not necessary. So the trim command is also modified group of commands. Just right, you're gonna, in the trim, line cuts line, and you're gonna select everything pretty much. Enter with the right mouse button. Select the lines that you want to get rid of. And it seems to be it's not working. I'm going to try it again. Trim. Enter key. I'm going to try one more time. Okay, I'm going to test the trim command one more time, and I'm going to use the trim from the modify group of commands. I'm click on it, and in the trim line cuts line, when you click on the trim command, it will prompt you to select the objects. These are the trimming cutting lines, and enter key after you select all the lines, and then now it's asking you to trim off the lines, so that means you need to select the lines as you need to, one by one. Enter key, and the lines that are there still there can be erased by the delete key, by selecting and delete key. And next we're gonna color the inside the star, and to do that we're going to go to draw command and select the boundary hatch option. In boundary hatch you select a solid color, and then select one of the colors that you choose. Say we go with blue first. Okay, move your cursor over where you want the blue color show up, and then select the colors and hit enter key. Enter key, and boundary hatch command comes back. This time we can select something like white, and then you can go with that. Okay, and enter key. I suggest you to try this, and I'm going to try to visit each one of you, and if you need help, raise your hand, of course. And until next time, thank you for watching.